Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Fusion 360 with me, Mr. Redmond. Today we're going to talk about holes. Holes are special in CAD drawings, and the reason is they come in different shapes and sizes. Um, you have simple holes, or counterbore holes, or countersink holes, or sometimes holes with threads cut into them, various depths and various widths all over the place, and they often need to be placed in very specific locations. So this is a little test block. You should have taken some notes over holes and what sort of holes, the terminology and symbols go along with them already. So right now I'm going to show you how to do this in Fusion 360. I'm going to make a quick block. Uh, in a sketch and extrude it up, and then uh, I'll show you how to make these holes. So let's bring over this, and I'll make a quick block. I'm going to use a center point rectangle real fast. Make this 2 inches wide, 5 inches wide. This is in millimeters. Finish that. Try that one more time. Create a rectangle. I'm probably going to do that every time. It needs to be in inches. We're going to make it 5 by 2, 3 inches tall. Cool. So here's what's interesting about holes. And you're not going to make them in sketches. What you're going to do in a sketch is you're going to create a point. You're going to take a point, you're going to put them in various locations. You would often take the dimensioning tool and make sure that they are in the exact correct placement of the block. I'm not going to do that right now, but you know what it would look like. You hit the D key, and then you'd make sure that this is exactly 0.75 away from the edge. Things like that. I'm going to be finishing that sketch right here, and now I'm going to make some holes in this block. The point is where the hole tool will check out. Like it's like you click on the hole tool and then you click on a point, and it will allow you to put a hole there. Um, Various things are in default for whatever reason. This first one, I believe, is a simple hole, meaning it has no features. It's just a through hole and is a 1/2 inch in diameter. So we're going to do that real quick. The diameter, this is the depth right here. We don't want to change that yet, but the width is going to be 0.5, the diameter rather, right here. And the shape settings, the extent by which you're going to extrude this is going to be through all right here at the drop down menu. Click on that, and it goes all the way through the block, as you can see there. And we're going to click OK. And now we have a proper hole all the way through the block. You could do that with a 1/2 inch circle and then extrude that all the way down. That'd be fine. But the hole tool allows you to have a few more options. I'm going to turn my sketch back on because it consumes the sketch. So you can select all of them at the same time if you want them all to be the same size hole. In this case, I'm going to turn this back on because each one's going to be a different hole type. The next one is not going to be a 1/2 inch and all the way through. The next one is going to be a little bit different. It's a counter bore hole indicated by the symbol here. The counter bore is diameter is 0.75 inches and it is a 1/2 inch down. The rest of the hole is 0.375 inches in diameter and 2 inches down. Let's see if I can remember that.